Next is one address machine. We have to load everything into accumulator first, and then the operation also will be done against the accumulator and keep back the result in the accumulator also. So we need to load A into accumulator, then sub B. Now the accumulator is having the subtraction between A and B. We obviously need to move the content of accumulator into another variable, let's say X again. Then to do the denominator, the all multiplications, we load P multiply with Q multiply with R multiply with S. Then we better store this in Y, for example. Then load back X. Then we divide with the value in Y. If we insist on having the final value in F, then what we can do is store the final result in F. That is it.